The Dingo Stump Grinder features real versatility. Unlike other machines which generally wave across the stump from a pivot between the cutters and the operator, the Dingo Stump Grinder hangs over the stump and swings back and forth. Being operated in this manner enables it to throw the waste product away from the operator and gives the operator perfect vision of the operation. The Dingo, being the most powerful machine of its type, has enough power to run the stump grinder without the need for the stump grinder to have its own engine. The stump can be ground to 600 millimeters or 2 feet below the ground if necessary. The Dingo Stump Grinder features button-style teeth that can be rotated to 3 positions. This means you can wear out the teeth 3 times before you need to sharpen or replace them.